Japan.
Where's my watch?
Running on the run, running on the day, running in the night. This time forever, take me now. I'm so tired, take me now. This time forever, rescue me. Yes, sir. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Hong Kong, bro.
We gone. Chat, where are we going, chat?
We're bound to Hong Kong.
Yes, sir. See you in Hong Kong, guys. This sir. Playing Uno in the plane, bro.
Let me see what happened.
Bro, you're gonna see my cards, man.
I'm not looking, bro.
Is it my turn? Oh, it's my turn. Gee, it's Stormzy. Don't look, look. Ay, kita ko yung cards. Don't look. Bro, unboxing. It's unboxing. Shy girl naman dito ngayon, bro. So we just landed at Konnichiwa, bro. Konnichiwa, what's up? Touchdown, Japan.
Yo, konnichiwa, what's up, everyone?
Yes, sir. Parang nawalan na ako ng energy sa totoo lang. Yeah, we're like so exhausted from it's 10 p.m. Yeah, it's currently 10 p.m. here in Tokyo. Zenzen wakaranayo. Struggle is real. Hello! Hi guys, come get ready with us. Hi guys.
Are you guys doing a vlog? Can I join?
Come get ready with us.
Okay.
Hi guys, this is Ricky Martin,
Yay, Ricky.
my number one fan.
Our special guest for today.
Yes, my number one.
Introduce
viewer.
yourself, please.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, so my name is Riser Carson Babadilla. I'm at the team's cousin, aka her number one fan. My birthday is on December 30, 2016. I'm not going to tell you my address because you might come to my house and kidnap me.
Smart.
Period. And then,
That's so smart.
And then, make sure you subscribe to Ate Tin and Ate Leia.
Thanks, bro.
Subscribe. If you don't,
Like
I
and
will
subscribe.
come to your house.
Oh, like and subscribe, bro.
Okay.
So guys, I'm just going with concealer kasi ayoko mag-foundation.
Yeah.
Kasi masyado siya mabigat.
Bro!
Bro! Ano?
Tissue.
Kanina pa siya naghanap ng tissue, bro.
Yung sa'yo.
Ikaw, anong gamit mo ngayon?
Ito?
Anong gamit mo?
I'm using cushion.
Yung
I'll use
helicopter.
cushion. Helicopter foundation, bro.
Ay! Wala na sila, so that means free na yung mirror. Bro! Oh my
Hold on,
days.
Zat.
Oh my days. We'll be back. We'll be
Pause.
back. Okay, guys. Switch location.
But I can see the future, Daya.
Sabi sunscreen pero sabon. Shit, ang dito. Sabi ko, bakit ang may dab? Reset. Ayun o, nag-ano na.
Pekochi.
On ko ba?
Ohayou gozaimasu. Oh, I'm gonna only,
Ano?
I'm only gonna use the,
Nalag ka dun, bro.
I'm only gonna,
Hindi na lang signal mo dun, ah. Pull on like a Ramadan.
I'm so ATL. Bluetooth connected dahil dun, bro. Teka lang, hindi ko alam susutin ko. Magsa-soft girl ba ako ngayon? Kasi isa lang.
Hindi ko nga alam kung saan tayo pupunta eh.
I'm gonna put some brown liner on my
Brown liner.
eye. Because it's literally, this is my favorite makeup.
Hindi ko na.
Mag-brush ka ngayon.
Same.
Blushers.
Skirt.
It's gonna be my hairstyle for today, though.
Watching. Shit, except. Uy! Uy! No!
Bro, I'm sorry. Sayo kasi na sa'yo eh. Sorry, bro.
Anxiety!
Alam na mga tao. May na-add na tuloy sa place.
Hi guys. So today we're gonna rate each item on our plate. I got the Hawaiian barbecue chicken.
I got the locomoco.
Nag-start na ako pero ang sarap niya, bro. The chicken, I think I rated 8.5.
The beef, I don't know if this is pork or beef, but bro, this hamburger is bussin', bro.
Mga side items, parang
It's mid.
Para ka nawiwiwi eh.
Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Shake. You have to shake your leg. Like this, Vicky. Like that, not the booty.
Uy, alis na kayo!
Ay, may bad.
Pagkasayaw dyan. Yari tayo dyan. Yun lang.
Ay, go, go, go. Okay na, Lomi. Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang. 1, 3, game. Okay, right first, okay?
Hey guys. On our way to 7-Eleven. We'll eat some pea, bro. Ano yung 75? Ah, yung store. Oo, hanggang 10 lang.
Bar may hindi dito bro. Mainit na kasi sa loob.
Uy, saan ba ako?
Bro, doon. Hindi niya pala alam. Sasakay pa talaga to.
Sasakay pa tayo ng train eh.
Yes, bro.
Tapos isa pang train. Hey guys!
Mainit ha.
On our way to Shibuya.
Hello. Shibuyas Cross.
We have to navigate first. Ano ba?
Pero wag namin mag-hotel.
Yung Mega.
Mega.
Oo.
Shibuya.
Shibuya Sky na lang muna kasi ano eh. Yung ticket.
Meron ba tayong ticket?
Wala pa nga eh. Kaya nga parang check lang natin kung meron. Pero nung sa website meron pa eh. Or Shibuya Station.
Pwede rin.
Tapos lakad na lang.
Oo. 3 minutes lang naman.
Oo, nandun na yun. Talagang maglalakad naman talaga tayo eh.
39 minutes, bro. Goal is 1 hour, bro.
Nagre-record ba yung go? Opo.
Oo, bro.
Gusto mo mag-record?
Vlog takeover.
Vlog takeover. Hi guys. We're on the way to Shibuya Sky. Tapos sila yung navigator. We'll let them figure it out. Hi Lolo.
Hello.
That's you.
Pang Facebook ba yan?
And YouTube, Instagram, everything in between. Hello everyone. Wave to the camera. Hindi pwede.
Can I vlog?
Hindi pwede.
Wow.
That's you.
Hi.
Maingay si Lolo. Nadidinig sa vlog, maingay ka, Lolo. Nadidinig sa vlog, maingay ka. Okay, we're going. It's so sunny. Tokal here.
Oh, there's Alto Michael.
Kailan yung history dito?
Ano daw yung street? It's so init. It's like the Philippines. Of Philippines. Diba? Philippines. So kanina, it was raining. Parang kaya it was sun. Oh, it is sun. Because when I woke up, it's raining. Wala pala pong audio. Uh-oh. There's a leak. Basa.
May station pala rito eh.
Yeah.
Yo, the
Ano nga ba? Dito nga tayo. Dito nga tayo.
Kailangan ko.
Hala, bakit nag-off?
Kaya nasa iyo na yung card, ah.
Pahawak nga muna, boss.
Attorney, siya lang. Sa likod. Oo nga.
Careful, okay?
Yeah. Hi, Ate Tim.
Fit check.
Baby-chan. Hi. Can you see my fit? How can I? Hi. Danica, Steve. Is this gonna be your new vlog?
So guys, here's the train station. We have insufficient funds, so kailangan mag-load. This is like beep card. Yeah. Sheesh. Card. Top card. This is yours. I don't know how much load I have left, but who's calling ma? Who's calling ma? Bro, may load ka ba, bro?
Load ko yun sa'yo.
Oh,
Sa iba.
ganito po mag-load. Bro, dito ba?
Charge. Sige mo yung pa.
Bro, ayaw bro.
Baka yan, ano mo lang. Oh, diba?
Eh, yo! Kano? 2?
Ano ba yung demo natin, bro?
Eh, yo! Nangyari bro.
Ay, ito pala.
Wait lang.
Guidance will be displayed in English.
Kano load?
Ano ba? Oh. 1.
お金を入れてください。最初からやり直してください。
Baka pabaliktad? Or...
Please accept this. Yo! Napapahiya ako sa vlog, bro.
お金を入れてください。最初からやり直してください。
Ayaw niya naman tanggapin.
Hindi. Baka.
Guidance will be displayed in English.
Please share IC card.
Ah, ganyan lang.
Tapos yung isa.
Ito naman kasi naalis na dito.
Sorry.
Yung demo po natin is
Ganun pala.
medyo naglalag lang po.
Please do not remove. Pasensya na.
Take your card.
Oh.
Rent receipt.
Okay, next.
Guys, this is how you enter the train station. Bro, pwede pa hawak?
Say hi.
It's not Ate Tim's camera, it's not your camera. Is this your channel or Ate Tim's?
A collab.
We're waiting for our train. When will it arrive, bro?
Huh?
When will it arrive? Is it the 11:31? We don't
Not
know.
sure. I'm not sure. Time check.
But today we're going to Shibuya, Chad.
Shibuya, let's go.
Bumbo ka na tayong mga, you know, Japanese girl.
Fit check na.
Fit check.
360? Reese, bro. Fit check.
Fit check, bro. Yo.
Famous bro. Si Lolo. Navy. Basta lahat naka-Navy. Si Lolo favorite niya Navy.
Number 6 ba tayo, T? 7?
6 po.
11:30?
13, 2.
11:32.
Pwede naman po. I think kakain muna kami. May mga information po dun.
Naku! iPhone 17.
May mga information po dun sa restaurant. So,
Ate Tina, are you vlogging?
yeah.
I'm gonna help you.
I'll say hi to the vlog.
Hi!
I'll hold it
Don't
for you.
drop.
So where are we now? Talk to the vlog.
We're in Shibuya.
Shibuya, and we're about to
Go eat lunch.
lunch. And then do you know where we're going later?
Like we're gonna do the crossing. Like remember how the owner left the dog and then the owner came back. And then the owner never came back because he passed away. And then the dog kept on waiting. He didn't know that the owner passed away. And then he just waited patiently
Haba naman.
until he passed away too.
Oh, nice. Attendance check. Is everyone here? Attendance check. Wrinkles is here. Serving. Oh. Lolo is here. Lolo's here. Lolo, sample naman dyan ah. Lolo, sample naman dyan. Wow. Uy, Ray. Uy.
Ang lakas.
Lapu-lapu. Uy, attorney. Where are we eating? Oh my god. Bro scared me. What the hell? Kuya, yun na yung Shibuya crossing bro. Shibuya crossing. Okay guys, we're gonna eat somewhere. I don't know. Here. Hey. My neck.
My neck.
We're gonna eat here, guys. Guys, ang haba po ng pila.
So we're currently waiting for, we're still in the line. And some of us are already there.
Such a long line.
Yeah. Look at the line.
That means it must be good. Guys, look at this menu. Oh, wait. It's taste test. Taste test.
Some ASMR. Hindi siya ganun kaanghang.
I rate it an 8 out of 10. Rate it. Oh. Ay, meron ko pala.
What would you rate it?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10 also. It's
Gaya
not that
gaya.
really bad.
Gaya gaya. Guys, you know you're Filipino when isa na lang natitira. Bro, kainin mo na yan. Isa na lang. Bro. Hi guys, we have salad here. Oh, that smells good. Ang laki ng bowl. Hmm. Mm. The salad's so good. Hey guys, I have udon here. Udon. Guys, kailangan pala nakaganto para hindi maaano yung ano mo. Mm. Guys, that was a 9.5 out of 10 experience. Rate your experience.
I'm literally on a food coma right now.
Rate it. Rate the food.
Rate the food.
Out of 10.
4. No, sorry. 7.
Unrated.
Rated or underrated?
Underrated.
Unrated.
I would rate it 6 out of 10. They have big servings though.
Yeah.
Humongous.
Mine was good.
This is the 1/2 portion. Oh, actually it is over here at first. And now it's down there. The pork cutlets are so big. I only ate 3 slices or 4.
Sino kumain nung iba?
Tito Joffrey, the finish.
Hindi kita lang picture.
Aw, sold out na yung ticket, guys. Sold out.
Hindi.
Guys, that's Shibuya Crossing.
Dito. Hindi, pwede ka na lang mag-move dito. Tiis mo ka doon. OA.
OA.
Pwede move ka pa dito. Yan. Para hindi kita yung frame.
Oo. Pakita mo. Montage.
Wala ba siya dito?
Dito nga ba? Parang dito eh.
Opo, yung high.
Oo, Hachiko. Tara, ayun.
Oh my God, the menu! Oh my God.
BF bro.
My BF. Guys, it's raining in Shibuya.
And we have our transparent payolas.
Kita nyo ba? Parang hindi.
And
Shish.
sobrang transparent pero di nyo rin nakita.
currently waiting so we can take a picture with
Hachiko.
Hachiko.
The famous Shiba Inu. Is it Shiba?
So, lumalala po yung ulan.
Possible switch sa kanila, bro.
Possible. Bro, nababasa ako, bro.
Yo, yo, yo.
Dadaan lang yan, guys.
Sabay na lang tayo mag-picture. Group pic na yan, bro. Kaso nga eh.
Mababasa yung shoes ko, bro.
Bro, yung white socks.
Locks in naka-boots.
Ready sa baha.
Yun lang, masakit na yung paa. Dumudugo na sa likod.
Bro, wait for me, bro.
Dahan-dahan lang, mga white socks yun.
Take Ochi.
Occupancy lang, bro. Di pala hindi ako nag-white pants. Yes! Master!
For the crossing. Uy, si Tio.
Oh,
Half bad.
oh, you guys ready na ba sa close? No, close na tayo. Close.
Wait. Excuse me. Excuse me. Guys, we're gonna get a matching keychain. Ano?
Ito. Ano sa'yo dito? If ever.
Ito kaya, bro? Ikaw yung
Ano
black.
sa'yo? Sige, possible. Ito. Kung ito. Sino ka dito?
Eh, ikaw na lang bumili ko.
Ako gusto ko to.
Okay, ito yung bibiliin ko eh.
Possible?
Possible. Guys, so magnet.
Overrated ito eh. This is
That's true,
overrated.
that's true.
Ito.
Magnet siya, guys.
Actually, meron mga chiko na ano, keychain. Ay, meron talaga bro. Meron siyang pusa siya, tapos nakagano. Cute.
Cute. Pero yun kasi
Maganda rin.
ano siya,
Salawahan. Ano ba talaga?
This is the haul for friends. Mga pasalubong po for friends.
Ito yung dito.
Opo, sa baba po.
Tingnan mo to. Like, yung mga pusa na ganyan.
Time check. Time check. Nice.
8:45.
8:45, chat. It's 8:45 in Shibuya. Yo! R8! Bro, R8!
Kaya nga eh. Ayun na si Josh.
Go, go, go! Go!
Yun nga naman yung maganda siya. Dami na sa kasi ngayon, nakikita sila kasi ngayon.
Hindi din ako alam din ng Japan. Ginawa rin nila itong dami mo. Dito po siya.
Pakita mo ano oras. Yun.
On our way to get food. She's McDonald's. Aakyat! Oh my days.